Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Dodge Charger RT 440 six-pack. And this one was a beauty and is a special car because it was saved from the junkyard to being crushed and restored to this beautiful car that you see in front of you. And it came out beautiful. They did a fantastic job restoring it. Had some upgraded wheels, which makes it look a little bit better with the bigger wheels. And I think anyway, but wheels are always a personal taste. And this one is pretty rare. In 1970, they only made 116 with the 440 six-pack engine in them. So that was just second to the Hemis, which they only made 42 of those in 1970. So the two top dogs were pretty rare birds in 1970, and this one was definitely a beauty. Well, this being the 1970 being the first year for the six-pack, the six-barrel carburetors, the 3.2 barrels on the 440 Magnum. It was a $119 option, and which was pretty good bargain. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.